Ndewo, kekime, ndewo. Aha m bụ Ijeọma Akụbue, onye na-akwado gị n'ịsụ Igbo, okay? Aha m bụ Ijeọma Akụbue, onye na-akwado gị n'ịsụ Igbo. I support you in speaking Igbo, okay? Today, I will talk about how I teach my children Igbo. Okay, I'm talking about this because some of my clients are learning Igbo along with their kids, okay? And it can be hard to teach your children Igbo, especially when they're in an environment where people are not speaking Igbo. Okay, maybe everybody around them is speaking English or some other language. So it's really tough, okay? And so I find it tough as well to teach my children Igbo, but I will share the tips, things that are helping me today, okay? So I have 3 things to share that's helping me teach my children Igbo. Number 1 is teaching them by songs. Okay, you would have noticed if you stayed in this channel for any amount of time that I like to sing and I like to not make up songs, but I like to translate songs. Sometimes I make them up as well. Okay, so sometimes I translate English songs that they know already. I just translate it to Igbo, so they know the tune. So it's just a matter of learning the words. Okay, and we then sing it like every day. And if it's like a Christian song, we would then sing it during prayer time. You can sing it every day for a week, and then that just get used to the sound. Okay, an example of one of those songs would be Chineke dị ukwuu, abudike na dị mkpa, ọ dịghị ọ na-apụghị ime. So we sing that during our prayer time. Okay, and they know it in English, so they do the actions and they keep on singing, and then little by little they pick up the verses in Igbo. Okay, so this is the way I teach my children Igbo. I teach them by singing in Igbo. I teach them original Igbo songs as well, and then along with translating Igbo English to Igbo songs. That's number 1. Number 2 way I teach them, I get them to speak Igbo is when they need something from me, when they ask me for something, okay? So maybe they asking for water or they asking for food or something, I get them to say it in Igbo, okay? Which is, okay, just in there was what? Sendewo, baby, and sendewo. Hana Hampani, Robert Sendewo. So when they want something like food or water, then I tell them you have to say Nyem Miri Biko, okay? Or Nyem Ribiko, Nyem Abam, Nyem, okay? So, and because they want those things, they then have to speak it, even if they don't feel like it. So when they're asking for things, I get them to speak Igbo, and that's what you can do as well. I say Nyem, teach them how to say Biko, Nyem, okay? All right, so that's number 2. So the first way I said I get them to speak Igbo by singing. Number 2 is when they want something from me and I get them to speak Igbo. Number 3 way is also I get them to teach. Okay, so like I teach Igbo, I tell them to teach what they know, whatever they know. Sometimes they tell me, oh, they know only maybe numbers or they know parts of the body. I said, yeah, that's enough. Teach it. And actually during the holidays, that's what we were doing. I would give them my phone and they record themselves teaching Igbo. Okay, those things are, I've not uploaded them here, but I have them. So where they are teaching themselves Igbo. So they just literally put on the camera and say maybe 1 to 10 in Igbo. Okay, or parts of the body in Igbo, whatever it is they know. And when they get stuck about what they teach, I usually get them to go watch my videos and just repeat what they are learning. Okay, so these are the things that I do to help them speak Igbo, and I hope it helps you. So number 1 thing is I sing a lot, and we sing a lot as a family in Igbo. Number 2 is when they need something, when they ask for something, I get them to repeat those requests in Igbo. And number 3 is I get them to teach Igbo, okay? Teach themselves. The bigger one teaches the little one, or they just record themselves speaking Igbo. I hope this is helpful and you can use this with your children when you're teaching them Igbo. And the boot camp, like I said, we have 1 more boot camp before the year ends. And if you don't know what the boot camp is, the last video I did yesterday talked a lot about the boot camp, okay? And the way to get all the benefits is to join the wait list. I will leave the link below this video, and you need to if your mom in the video. So
Mommy.
Oh dear. Ngwagawazan ka mata pihin na biko. Una wari ki ga ife oh adi ko ewu. Amaka ngwasende wo. Oh, so if you haven't joined the bootcamp Switch list, this is the time to join it. Okay. Ngwa sekode na ya pwala sekode. Kode ngwana. Sekode.
Code.
Kamsi chale sekode.
Code.
Ngwagamazana. Uzola.
Yummy juice.